Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable rounded tab pages or tab corners in your Microsoft Edge web browser. It's a simple process, so let's dive right into it without further delay. To get started, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. In the address bar, type edge://flags, that's edge followed by a colon, 2 forward slashes, and flags. Hit enter to access the flags settings. In the search flags field, type rounded tabs. You'll see options for Microsoft Edge rounded corners and make rounded tabs features available. I recommend turning both of them to the enabled position. After making these changes, click on Restart to apply the settings. Your browser will restart, and there you go, it's as simple as that. So, in just a few steps, you've successfully enabled rounded tab pages in your Microsoft Edge browser. It's a neat customization feature that can give your browsing experience a fresh look. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.